Hello, welcome to my video Driver Behavior 1 Be Perfect. As I mentioned in my video Introduction to Driver Behavior, we have learned this behavior during our early childhood, 19 to 36 months, that is during toilet training, as per messages our parents conveyed to us, and we got addicted to it. We still follow this addiction, but we also insist everyone around us to be perfect. What are the side effects of this driver behavior? Let us begin with home. At home, mother-in-law expect newlywed daughter-in-law to be perfect in cooking and household work. Husband and wife expect their spouse to be perfect. If you go to organization, the seniors boss expect juniors to be perfect. If they are not perfect, they are rated poor or incompetent. If we go to education institute, principal and senior teachers expect junior teachers to be perfect. Teacher expect students to be perfect. If you go to hospital, senior doctors with MD and specialization think that junior doctors are not perfect. In a hospital, senior nurses feel junior nurses are not perfect. Trainers feel trainees are not perfect. So everywhere seniors think juniors are not perfect. Now what is the side effect of this? All seniors or so-called elders with 25, 30, 35 years experience, they are prosecutors in psychological games that we play at home and office workplace, and the juniors are victims of this drama triangle every day. I thank thousands of viewers who have watched it, liked it, and 323 subscribers who have subscribed it to get notification of my videos. You know dictionary meaning of perfect, that is adjective, having all the required or desired elements, qualities or characteristic as good as it is possible to be. The idea of something being perfect is an illusion, and it can hold us back from the achievements. If you are always waiting to reach perfection, you will never be happy. You should strive for excellence and not for perfection. Winston Churchill said, "Perfection is the enemy of progress." What we consider perfection is by comparing ourselves to others and make us feel about it. Be perfect like someone. They put enormous amount of effort into detail or will not settle until things are exactly right the way they want. It means a lot of hard work to make it look like perfect. But you may note that person had anxiety and time to get it that way. What we require is ready to use, or if it is information, it is informative and it is fit to use. Nothing beyond it. If you crave for perfection, when you talk about crave, it is have a powerful desire to be perfect. It makes you with a personality disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder. A intense need to be perfect or done right. Please watch my video on personality disorder cluster C, obsessive compulsive disorder. People with fear and anxiety crave for perfection. My only request to you is, with this your desire for perfection, don't destroy the next generation or the juniors because you think perfection is required, whereas I require only a beginning. All the juniors are only at the beginning stage, so please transform them into skillful people, help them to come up in life. Don't victimize by prosecuting them. Well, friends, there is a hope. Learn 12 concepts of transactional analysis. Now, you may think what transactional analysis can do for you. Transactional analysis, help you to examine who you are and what is the environment in which you are born, what are your traits, what are your behaviors, how you communicate, what are the psychological hungers like recognition, and your identity, relationship, and how you can become successful to become leaders. Well, friends, please join my online session on 12th October Monday to 16th October Saturday on IAI or NTCC's platform. I am offering an introductory price. So please inform me on WhatsApp mobile 9822876170 so we can get connected and give details. So please be ready to transform yourself for success and leadership. Thank you.